graphics, development of the surfaces for cylinder. In this question it is given develop the surface of cylinder with radius is 30 mm and height is 80 mm, and this diagram is given top view and front view. This one is the cut portion of the cylinder. 20 mm radius from center. This one is the center point of axis. 20 mm half circle, and with 50 mm down from top to 50 join these two lines. So develop these surfaces. Height is total given 80. So to develop, first we will take true length of height. Let's say I want to start with this line. So afterwards I will draw development. And periphery of this circle is 30 mm. So I will use 2 pi r means 2 pi into 30 total length. So say this one is the total length, that is equal to 2 pi into 30. So this one is the development of the surface. Now total, here there is no any corner in the cylinder. So how to develop this? So for the circle, as I told you in previous also, for circle we required 8 points for perfect development. Now this one is the half circle, so at least we require starting and ending point plus one top points and extra these two 45-degree points in the development. Or second method we can approach, directly divide this cylinder into 8 parts. These are the two cylinders, top and bottom. So let me write from here. So this one is A, and below 8 is 1, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Total are there 8 points. So when you extend, so here I extended these generators. So that is same symmetrical part are there. Now you need not to divide this part because we have already some points. It may not be 45 degree but fixed points. Now for development of the surface we require starting point and ending point. But let's say here is the A dash, B dash, C, D, E, F, G and H. Likewise bottom it is 1, so total 8 points. So I will start with A1. As I divided into 8 pi, I will divide this 2 pi r into again 8 equal part. So you can use calculator and divide into 8 equal part, that is 2 pi r by 8, because total 2 pi r and I divide into 8 equal part. When we open from A, so next will be B, and finally after H it is ending of A. And finally 1. Now let us talk about starting point. Let's say it is intersect P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Over here also it is intersect, that is P6, here P7 and say P8. So half circle P1 to P5 and line P5, P6, P7, then P7, P8, P1. Let us look at P1. But P1 is not in generator. Generator means this lateral line. So we have to generate extra line. So this one is the extra line. But where it is intersect between AB, AB के बीच में intersect होगा and H A के बीच में. So we will consider, let's say it is X and Y point. So I will take AX radius between AB, AX radius between AB, AX radius. So X point is over here. Likewise, where is Y point? Between AH. AH के बीच में, it is not center point. AH के बीच में Y point. So A to H side that is y point. So y point and this one is the x point. So I will extend extra line. So let's extend P1. So P1 is intersect over here in x and over here, that is P1 dash. So two P1s are there between AB and AH. So between AB on generator and AH on generator or lateral edge. Likewise, let's say P2. Where is P2? See, extend P2, that is already on H and B. So extend P2, that is on B and H. So P2 and P2 dash. Likewise, let us talk about P3. P3 की कौन से पॉइंट पे है? तो G and C. So extend P3, that is in C and on G. So P3 dash and P3. Let us talk about P4. Yes, P4 का locus हमने ले लिया है extension. P2 and P4 are same. But where is P4? P4 on F and D. So here is the P4 and F means P4 dash. Let us see finally P5. P5 is not available in any vertical line. So we will draw extra vertical line. So that line is between E to D. So it is Z point and here W point. So E to D side, this distance from E to D side. So E to D side, this distance. So that is Z point. Likewise E to F side, this distance. E to F side, this. It will be same distance. So here it will be W point and say here it is Z point. So extend the two lines. So P5, P1 and P5 on same line. So here is the extension P5 and P5 dash. So when you join P1, P2 up to P5 with a smooth curve, it is not perfect circle, it is elliptical shape. So these two. Now for line. Line will be P6. So extend this P6. So where is P6? So when you see P6 is D and F. So over here it is P6 and F, P6. P7. So when we extend P7, where is P7? C and G. So P7 and P7 dash. Likewise P5 and P6 on same, but P8. P8 is on B and H. So where is B? Yes, over here. Sorry, this one is B, P8 and H, P8 dash. Now here is a line, but how to join this? Through line or curve? So here it is circular part, see. So this one surface is circular and that is cut by line. So one is circular part and that is cut by line. So again it is circle. If both are circle, then it is circle, because this one is the circular part cut and again surface is curve, cylinder. So it is circle, curve part. Now here it is line and surface is curved surface. So curved surface, when it is cut by line, again it's curve. So that is actually like this. So when you join this all points, so in that case you can see it is passed from this all, and here is the development of this given cylindrical object.